Starting in the warm seas worldwide by the coast to open oceans, we can find the megamouth shark, length being up to 18 feet with a weight of 1,918 pounds. Despite its large size, they prey on plankton. They attract the plankton from their silver throats. The extinction risk of this massive creature is unknown. It wasn't found until 1976, and since then only one has been studied by scientists. Their scientific name is
Megachasma pelagos.
Keeping it large, we move now to the basking shark. This highly unique shark lives in the same areas as the megamouth. Almost double the size of megamouths, they are 36 feet long. They weigh a whole whopping 8,800 pounds, all from eating plankton. That and the fact that they have gigantic livers that are filled with oil that could easily fill 14 barrels. A few outstanding features are their gill slits that nearly encircle their head, and the enormous gaping mouth. They got the name basking shark because they were often found at the sea's surface, where they find much plankton. People would say that these sharks were basking in the sun. Sadly, these peaceful sunbathing sharks have a high extinction rate. Its species name is
Cetorhinus maximus.
Leaving the sunny surface habitat of the basking shark, we dive to the deep waters. The habitat is that of the goblin shark. The shark was first found off the coast of Japan in 1897. This seemingly normal shaped shark has a surprise way of attack. Like something from an alien movie, this shark can thrust its jaw forward to grab at fish, squid, crabs, and shrimp in front of them. Their long snout is jam-packed with sensors to detect food in the deep water. Along with its strange shape, it also has a strange color. Its outermost layer of skin is transparent and therefore gives the shark a pink color, and its tiny blood vessels underneath showing. It is a length of 16.5 feet with a weight of 350 pounds. This rarely seen shark was named goblin shark after the Japanese myth of the tengu, a long-nosed goblin. The species name is
Mitsuchronia austoni.
By the muddy floors of the South Pacific Ocean, Australia, and New Zealand, the elephant shark can be found using their trunk-like snouts to probe for
shellfish
on the muddy sea floor. They have plate-like teeth that they use to crush the shells of the
shellfish.
They can grow up to the length of 4 feet and weigh 7.7 pounds. A few characteristics of this shark are their venomous spines that fend off enemies and fin parts called claspers used to grasp females during mating. For extra grip, they have a thorny clasper on its head. Similar to us, they have a network of mucus-filled canals. While we have this fluid in our ears, their face is lined with it. It helps them detect motion in the murky waters. Its species name is
Calorhynchus mealy.
Finally, we move on to the cookie cutter sharks. Despite their adorable name and size of 20 inches, they are a living nightmare to large fish, dolphins, and whales. They prey at night and surface from the deep to latch upon large prey. They have lips like leeches that saw out a clean, circular-shaped piece of flesh, hence the name cookie cutter. These sharks can be found in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. One of the characteristics of these small but feisty sharks are that they can glow in the dark. This attracts large fish and squid, which is a plus for the cookie cutter that ends up preying on them. Due to these sharks' shape, size, and dark band around their gills, they are also called the cigar shark. Their species name is
Isitis brazilinus.
fin.